What if I told you, right now in 2026, AI isn't coming, it's already here. It's writing emails, editing videos, running businesses, while most people are still afraid of it. But the winners aren't tech experts. They're everyday Americans just like you who chose to use the tool instead of hiding from it. Stay with me. I'm about to show you how to do exactly that, how to use AI to win your future. Starting today. Let's be real for a second. No sugarcoating, no hype. You've already felt it in 2026. You've seen coworkers quietly replaced by tools that do their entire job faster and cheaper. You've watched friends lose freelance gigs because AI can generate blog posts, social captions, even video scripts in seconds. You've read headlines about businesses shrinking teams, while one person armed with AI handles what used to take an entire department. Routine tasks, answering emails, writing reports, handling customer support, basic graphic design, data entry. AI is now doing 40 to 50% of them across industries. Wages in many of those fields are flatlining or even dropping. The old reliable path, show up every day, work hard, put in the hours, wait for the promotion or raise, suddenly feels like the ladder is being pulled away from you while you're still climbing. You feel the pressure every single day, the quiet, nagging fear that if you don't figure this out soon, if you don't adapt, you really will be left behind. It keeps you up at night sometimes, wondering what happens next. But here's exactly where most people get trapped. They stop right there, at the fear. They complain in group chats, they scroll past the free tools, they tell themselves this'll blow over or someone else will fix it. They wait for the world to go back to how it was in 2019. What they're missing and what's costing them right now is that AI isn't stealing futures anymore. It's handing out massive leverage to anyone who's willing to reach out and take it. And the people who are already pulling way ahead in 2026, they're not geniuses. They're not 22-year-old coders. They're regular Americans in their 30s and 40s. People just like you who one day decided, I'm going to learn this thing and use it to get ahead before it's too late. Let me give it to you straight, no fluff. AI doesn't replace people. AI replaces people who refuse to use AI. In 2026, the winners aren't the ones with the highest IQ or the fanciest degrees. They're the ones who moved fastest, the ones who looked at this new tool and said, "This is my advantage now." You don't need to become a programmer. You don't need to understand algorithms or write code from scratch. You need to learn how to command AI. How to ask sharp, specific questions. How to turn it into your 24/7 assistant, your idea generator, your efficiency multiplier, your creative partner. Change the lens today. Every headline that says AI took another job, flip it in your mind to AI just handed someone else 10 times the output, 10 times the leverage, 10 times the freedom. That someone can be you. Your mindset isn't locked in stone. It's a muscle. And right now, in 2026, it's time to train it harder than ever. The future isn't being taken away from you. It's being handed to the people who choose to grab the tool first. Reframe it, own it, and watch how fast everything changes. Let's be real. Here are 3 everyday Americans who turned AI from fear into wins. First, Sarah, 28 to 30, single mom in Atlanta. She got the severance email. Company automated her job. Bills piling up, kids to feed, fear every night. But she started small. ChatGPT after bedtime. Practiced prompts for emails, templates, client proposals. First gig, $200. Then repeat clients. Now, small agency, $6K a month from home. More time with her kids, more freedom. Second, Mike, 28 to 30, laid-off marketer in Denver. Resumes out for months, silence. Then he flipped it, used AI for video scripts, edits, thumbnails, posted daily on TikTok and YouTube. Views started low, but he kept going. Now in 2026, 6-figure income from sponsorships and affiliates. He turned unemployment into freedom. Third, Jessica and Mark, 28 to 30 couple, small retail owners in Ohio. Sales flat, hours killing them. They added AI, chatbots for customers, inventory forecasts, personalized emails, no new hires. Revenue doubled in under a year. They're not tech experts. They just started using what was already free. These aren't exceptions. They're proof. AI is here, and the people winning are the ones who stopped waiting and started experimenting. Your story can be next. It starts today. All right, stories are over. No more waiting. Let's get you moving right now with a simple 4-step plan to win with AI in 2026. This is practical. Start today. Build fast. Step 1. Start free. Right after this video, open ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, or Gemini. No cost, no skills needed. Spend 10 minutes playing. Ask it to write an email, brainstorm side hustles, fix your resume, or plan your day. Just get comfortable. That's your first step. Step 2. Pick one high-impact use. Only one. Don't do everything. Choose what gives you the fastest win. Sales, better proposals and follow-ups. Content, ideas, scripts, captions. Business, automate replies or inventory. Focus on one thing that saves time or makes money quickest. Step 3. Build a 30-minute daily habit every day. Same time. Mornings work best. Practice prompts. Test outputs. Save what works. Track it. Today, AI saved me 20 minutes on emails. Consistency beats everything. Step 4. Stack wins and scale. First useful prompt? Celebrate. First $50 earned with AI? Celebrate bigger. First client or automated task? Stack it. One win leads to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to real momentum. Do this for 30 days, then 60, then 90. You'll be amazed at how far you've come. This is exactly what Sarah, Mike, Jessica, and Mark did. Now it's your turn, starting today.
AI is here. It's not waiting for permission. It's already rewriting how the world works right now in 2026. The question isn't, will AI change everything? The question is, will you let it change you? Or will you use it to change your future? Your future isn't being taken by machines. It's being built by the person who learns to command them. This is your moment, your chapter, your win. The people who rise in 2026 aren't the lucky ones. They're the ones who decide today to grab the tool and never let go. If you're ready to start right now, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need this fire. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Weekly AI tips, motivation, and wins coming your way. Comment below, "I'm in," plus the first AI tool you're trying this week. I'll read every single one. Let's build this together. AI is here. Go win your future right now.